Hello, kids. Welcome to Little Buds Blossoms. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Meet Timmy, an adventurous and curious kid who loves to explore and learn new things with his friends. Meet Lily, Timmy's best friend, always ready to join the fun. Meet Max, Timmy's little brother, curious and full of questions. Today, Timmy is excited to teach his friends about subtraction through a fun-filled adventure in his backyard, where anything can happen. What is subtraction? Subtraction is about taking away from a group to see what's left. Let's say you have 5 apples and you eat 2. How many apples are left after eating? 5 minus 2 equals 3. Pigs love rolling in the mud and eating yummy treats. 3 pigs are living on a farm in a remote village. Time for fun, one of the pigs says. One pig runs and jumps on the muddy puddle outside of the farm. How many pigs remain on the farm? Let's count together. 1 and 2. There are 2 pigs remaining on the farm. 3 pigs minus 1 pig equals to 2 pigs. A mouse is a small rodent. Mice love cheese and solving puzzles. They are smart and playful. 4 mice are living near a farmland. What is that smell? Ah, it's cheese. 2 mice left to eat cheese right outside. How many mice stayed in the burrow? Let's count together. 1 and 2. 2 mice stayed in the burrow. 4 mice minus 2 mice equal to 2 mice. Cow's milk is a great source of protein, calcium, and calories for growing children. Timmy has 5 cartons of fresh milk in his fridge. Timmy gave 2 fresh milk cartons to Lily. How many milk cartons left in the fridge? Let us count together. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 milk cartons left in the fridge. 5 minus 2 equals 3 milk cartons. Max loves pizza. So Timmy ordered margherita pepperoni pizza for his younger brother from a famous restaurant Italia. 1 pizza was cut into 6 pieces. Timmy took 1 slice of pizza. Lily took 1 slice of pizza. Max took 1 slice of pizza. How many pizza slices left in the pizza box? Let us count together. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 slices of pizza left in the pizza box. 6 slices minus 3 slices equals 3 slices of pizza. Butterfly have 4 wings which are brightly colored and patterned. Butterfly wings are covered in tiny scales, and they are the only insects with scaly wings. There were 7 butterflies in a poppy flower. Out of 7 butterflies, 3 butterflies flew to a nearby flower. How many butterflies stayed back in the poppy flower? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 butterflies stayed back in the poppy flower. 7 butterflies minus 3 butterflies equals 4 butterflies. Honeybees live in hives. The honeybee is the only insect that produces food for humans. 9 bees lived in a hive. Out of 9 honeybees, 4 honeybees went in search of food. How many honeybees stayed back in the hive? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 honeybees stayed back in the hive. 9 minus 4 equals 5 honeybees.